Got a minor hairline crack on your wall? I'll walk you through a simple method to fix it and get a smooth, uniform finish. Scope of work. I'm repairing small interior plaster or drywall cracks caused by settlement or thermal movement, aiming for a seamless blend with the existing paint. Materials you'll need: crack filler or joint compound, cementitious wall putty for masonry walls, primer, matching wall paint, fiberglass mesh tape for wider cracks, medium sandpaper, fine sandpaper, and clean water. Tools: a scraper or putty knife, a wire brush, a paintbrush or roller, a sanding block, a mixing container, and a small trowel or spatula. Step 1. Surface preparation. I start by opening the crack slightly into a small V groove, about 3 to 5 millimeters deep. I brush off dust and any loose paint with a wire brush, then wipe clean with a dry cloth or a blast of compressed air. The surface should be clean, dry, and sound. Step 2. Crack filling. For small cracks, I apply a ready mix filler with a putty knife, pressing it in and smoothing it slightly proud of the wall surface. If the crack is a bit wider or shows movement, I lay down fiberglass mesh tape over the groove first, then spread filler across it to embed the mesh. For masonry, I can use cementitious wall putty as the base fill, then skim with joint compound for a fine finish. Step 3. Drying. I let the filler dry naturally, usually 4 to 6 hours, or as the product data sheet specifies. No shortcuts here. I don't sand or paint until it's fully dry to the touch and through the core. Step 4. Sanding. I level the patch with fine grit sandpaper using a sanding block for a flat surface. I feather the edges into the surrounding paint, then wipe away dust with a lightly damp cloth. Step 5. Priming and painting. I apply a primer to seal the repaired area and prevent flashing. After it dries, I roll on 2 thin coats of matching wall paint, allowing proper drying time between coats. I blend from the patch outward for the best match. Safety precautions: I wear gloves, a mask, and goggles, especially while sanding. I keep the room ventilated and follow all product instructions. Inspection. I check the repair for smoothness, solid adhesion, and uniform color. If I can't spot the patch from different angles under good light, it's a win. That's your quick, reliable method statement for minor crack repair. Clean, simple, and built to blend. If you prep right and don't rush the dry times, your wall will look brand new.